Yeah, exactly.
Yesterday, I stretched my hand and shake God. It's a lie.
Ah, Elia.
It's not a lie.
Elia.
Lying.
Okay, okay. Yesterday, I'll kill the elephant with a pencil. Yes, Jesus.
Okay. Yesterday, I wake up early in the morning. I saw myself eating bread and tea with Jesus.
This time.
Yesterday, I was walking in my way. I see an aeroplane and I stretched my hand and catch it.
Hey.
Yes.
Do it.
Oh, Jesus. I do it yesterday.
Okay, stop it, stop it. Yesterday, I was flying with the angels with my bicycle.
Hey. Jesus.
Okay, yeah.
My father is the elder brother of Jesus.
Which?
Jesus.